The meeting of the Banana Splits Club will now come to order. Trooper, please read rule number 377 from the Banana Split Club Code of...
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Residents are being ordered to not go on social media for the rest of the day. Reports come in that hackers are stealing people's ID, hacking users, and sending them racial slurs and disturbing images. Please follow these instructions. To protect yourself from being hacked, do not go on any type of social platform if possible, don't accept any friend requests, and most importantly, stay calm. Do not panic. Panicking will only make the situation worse. This message will repeat in 1 minute. Stay tuned for further information regarding this event.